Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do hotel review at Sheraton Imperial Kuala Lumpur. So this is the deluxe king bedroom. It has a full-size king bed, a full-size bathroom with bathtub, and this is the walk-in wardrobe complete with robes and safety deposit box. Let's have a look at the other area. So this is the king size bed with both side table at the left and the right, one sofa and very large television. This is the bathtub, standing shower, and yeah, don't forget to try Sheraton Imperial KL. Overall, I give a 3.5 rating out of 5 for Marriott range of hotels.